Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to download and install Anaconda on your PC and how to write your first program of Python by using Anaconda. So here we have to click on download button. I already downloaded it. So now I am opening my executable file. Click on the next button. I agree. All users and click on the next button. The default directory is showing. Click on the next button. So install it. It will take a good amount of time. Now it is completed. Click on the next button. Next. Finish. Here you have to search Anaconda. We are going to Anaconda Navigator. It will take a good amount of time for opening. On this window we can see different notebooks of Anaconda. Data spell, CMD, Jupyter, PowerShell, PyCharm and etc. No, remind me later. We are going to Jupyter notebook. Click on launch button. Click on any browser you want. I am going to Google Chrome. Okay. So the local host is available. Now we have to click on desktop. Create new folder. Python 3. Now you have to write your code. Print hello world. Click on run button. So the hello world is showing. If you are not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos, so please leave a like and ask me any question on comment section. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.